Your Majesty, Excellencies, distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen, the signing ceremony will begin with the Prime Minister of Malaysia, Chair of ASEAN.
Next, His Excellency the President of the Republic of the Philippines.
His Majesty the Sultan of Brunei Darussalam.
His Excellency the Prime Minister of the Kingdom of Cambodia.
His Excellency the President of the Republic of Indonesia.
His Excellency the Prime Minister of Laos People's Democratic Republic.
His Excellency the Prime Minister of the Republic of Singapore.
His Excellency the Prime Minister of the Kingdom of Thailand.
His Excellency the Prime Minister of the Socialist Republic of Vietnam.
His Excellency the Permanent Secretary of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, the Republic of the Union of Myanmar.
And His Excellency the Prime Minister of the Democratic Republic of Timor-Leste.
With the spirit of solidarity in the air, thank you, Your Majesty and Your Excellencies. We now invite all our ASEAN leaders to please move forward to the center of the stage for a photo opportunity. We are humbled and proud to be a part of history in the making. Members of the media, This is your first photo moment. In 3, 2, 1. Next is the customary handshake, the ASEAN way, please. Right hand over left. For a second photo moment, 3, 2, 1. Thank you, Your Excellencies. May I now invite all ASEAN leaders and Permanent Secretary to take 3 steps forward to the center of the stage.
Next, distinguished guests, may I now invite all guests of the chair on the stage for a photo opportunity.